So, for the video, may I please have your first and last name, sir?
Buddy Boyder.
Alright, so we're at truck number 1 going off on 9 laps. Left foot on the brake, hold your brake pedal down, reach for that shifter lever, bring it down to first gear, please. Off the brake, we'll go down pit lane. More to the center, second gear, sir. Swing left, swing right, and to the left. Feel that body roll?
Oh yeah.
Alright, so the entrance on the left here. Oh, we'll keep right. On the left here. And full stop on the brake. Alright, sir, wheel straight, both hands to the wheel, eyes up, off the brake, and accelerate to the bottom of the hill. Off the gas and brake. Alright, sir. So, next time we initiate acceleration, treat it like a dimmer. Not like an on and off switch.
Okay.
If we push the gas out on the track, it's going to spin the tires, fishtail, rotate the truck. So just roll into the throttle, okay?
Okay.
Alright, sir, off the brake, up the hill. And brake. Very good, so well done, just like that. Alright, off the brake, bring us to a full stop on top of the hill. Right in front of the stop sign, we'll make a full stop. Up, and brake. Alright, sir, hold that brake, visor down, stay ready. Truck 1 for 9.
Copy, you clear out.
Copy, clear. Alright, sir, once again, be aware of the slick surface on the first lap. Other than that, sir, eyes up, off the brake, and accelerate in between the counts. Off the gas, accelerate, and brake. Off the brake, off the gas. Smooth. Accelerate, stay centered, and accelerate. Off the gas, keep straight. Oh, too soon for the brakes, too soon. Okay, just wait for the counts, accelerate. Brake, right, smooth on the wheel, accelerate, keep it straight, accelerate, off the gas, good, easy, and brake, off the brake, smooth with the wheel, sir, smooth, accelerate, off the gas, turn in and accelerate, off the gas and accelerate. Off the brake, off the gas, accelerate. Off the gas. Good, man. Well, easy with the wheel, sir. Too much wheel. Okay. And accelerate. Keep it centered. Off the gas. Gas. Brake, off the brake, off the gas. Be patient. Accelerate. Gas. Wait for the cones. Brake, off the brake. Just a brake on and off. And accelerate. Off the brake. Right, accelerate. On the gas. And brake. Off the brake, off the gas. Easy with the wheel. Easy, smooth. And accelerate. Off the gas and accelerate. Off the gas and accelerate. Brake, off the brake, accelerate. Off the gas. And brake, off the brake, wait for the count. And accelerate. And brake, off the brake, turn in and accelerate. Off the gas, keep it straight, brake, off the gas, be patient, turn in and accelerate. Good corner. Brake, off the brake, turn in in, and accelerate. And brake, off the gas. Be patient. And accelerate. Wheel to the right. Off the gas, accelerate. Off the gas, accelerate. Brake, off the gas, and accelerate. Keep it straight. Good, land. Off the brake, off the gas. Easy, easy. And brake, off the brake, turn in and accelerate. Off the gas. Whoa, gotta keep it straight, sir. And accelerate. Brake, off the brake. Right, gas. And brakes, off the, let it coast. Accelerate. Off throttle, accelerate. Off throttle, accelerate. Brake, off the gas, accelerate. Keep it straight. Off the gas. And brake. Gas. And brake, off the gas. Keep right, and accelerate. Off the brake, and accelerate. Brake, off the brake, right, accelerate. On the gas. And brake, off the gas. Let it coast, be patient, remember to breathe. Left, accelerate. On wide to the right, and gas. Off throttle, accelerate. Brake, off the brake, accelerate. And brake, off the gas. Accelerate. And brake, off the brake, turn in, and accelerate. Off the gas, keep straight, and brake, off the gas, turn in, accelerate. Brake, off the brake, right, accelerate. Good, how you feel, sir? Good? Alright, brake, off the brake, easy. Accelerate. Off throttle, accelerate. Off gas, accelerate. Brake, off the brake, accelerate. And brake, off the gas. Accelerate. Keep it centered. Good. Brake, off the gas, accelerate. Keep it straight, off the gas. Brake, off the brake, turn in and accelerate. Brake, off the brake, right, accelerate. And brakes, off the gas. Let it coast, remember to breathe. And accelerate. gas. Accelerate. Off throttle. Accelerate. Right. Accelerate. Off the gas. Right. Off the brake. Easy, easy. Accelerate. Keep centered. Good. Right. Off the brake. Off the gas. Off the gas. Accelerate. Gas, brake, off the brake, turn in and accelerate. Off the gas, accelerate. And brake, off the gas, be patient. Accelerate. Off throttle, accelerate. Off throttle, accelerate. Brake, off the brake, turn in, accelerate. Keep the brake, off the gas, and brake, off the brake, accelerate, accelerate. Keep it centered. Good. Brake, off the brake, off the gas, accelerate. Good corner. Off the gas, keep straight. Brake, off the brake. Turn in and accelerate. Brake, off the brake. Accelerate. On the gas, keep it straight. Good. And brake, off the gas. Remember to breathe. Keep it left. Accelerate. Off throttle, accelerate. Off throttle, accelerate. Brake, off the brake, off the gas. Final jump, full throttle. Here we go, that jump. Gas, gas, gas. Off the gas. On the brake, slowing down, sir. We're gonna exit on the left. Awesome, my man, that was fun.
That was good.
Good deal. We'll go left there. Woo! Good job there, my man.
That was fun.
Very cool. Right, keep left.
You might want to tell them their power steering's out.
What's that?
So you might want to tell them their power steering's out.
The power steering? As far as I know, the whole truck got refurbished yesterday. Well, which of the con, sir?
The con that's not blocked by the 4Runner now?
Yes, exactly. Oh, what the hell are you doing there, bud? You're right at the exit lane. Alright, sir. So, this opening here where we started, yeah. And on the brake, sir. Full stop. Get it back in park, please. Well, man, that was fun.
That was good.
Good driving out there. Thanks for coming out.
Absolutely. Thanks for